Okay, well, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to install Anaconda for Mac OS or Linux distribution, which is almost same. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to open anaconda.com very first. So then here, there's a button called free download. Here's here. So you just click on this button. So it is going to ask a email address, like if you want to get their product and relevant content on your email. So you just type in your email and click submit. Otherwise, what you can do is you can skip a registration and it will take to your download page. So here there are two versions are available. Okay, so one is distribution installers and the other one is Miniconda installers. So there's a small difference between two. Miniconda is very lightweight version of Anaconda. So and the distribution installers which comes with the full package. So currently what I'm going to do is I'm going to directly install from the for the Mac, which is a full version that what I require. So I'm just click on download Mac. So here there are two versions. If you are using a Mac OS, so there will be always Intel version as well as Apple Silicon. So in my case, it is Apple Silicon version. So I'm just clicking on Apple Silicon version. So it is going to start a download for you. So it may take a couple of minutes. So once the download is completed, so that you can start uh, installing this thing. So until then, I'll just pause this video. So you can see it's almost 780 MB which has been downloaded in my case. So it will be in your downloads directory or the downloaded directory. So you can see here. So what I'll do, I'll just right click and I'll just click on open. So it will open a dialog. So to install this application and just click allow. Okay. So it is going to just like your next in your Windows machine here also we need to continue. So you can see like what are the things, what are the packages that it is going to install. So that's why it is called a full version of Anaconda. So if you are using Miniconda, so you may get a few packages, you may not get all these packages actually. So you'll be getting a packages but not all of them. Okay. So and even after this we may require a lot of other packages. I'll show you how to install those packages also. So just click on continue, say agree to the license. So here it is going to ask to install for all users use this computer or specific users. In my case it is all the user. In your case it may be for admin or the user if you're using enterprise systems. So always use for your user itself. So then it is asking for location. It is going to take around 4.5 GB of your space in your computer. So in my case it's okay. I'll just click on install and it is asking for your password. So in my case I'm typing my password actually. Yeah, so it is executing all the scripts. So it is taking a couple of minutes. So I'll just pause the video until it completes. So once the installation is done, so that you will be getting this code, like you can code in the cloud. Basically they are offering Anaconda cloud also right now these days. So just click on continue and just click on close. So right now this Anaconda has been installed in my machine as of now. Okay, so we'll see how to launch those application now. So for that, in your case, just go to your launchpad and find for Anaconda navigator. So here in my case, so just click on the Anaconda navigator so that you can see all the applications over there, including Spider, Jupyter, and few other Orange, Viz. So we have a couple of applications over here. And like if you want to use uh, okay, so it is asking for the updates. That's okay. So I'll just click on no, remind me later. So and it is asking for sign in, like if you want to keep the repositories on the cloud so that you can use this. So in my case it's okay, so I don't want to log in. I'll just click close here. Okay, so here the very first thing is, so you can see what are the environments. I think always whenever you installed a Anaconda, so it will install base environment. So we'll talk this later. So what exactly the environments and all about. Okay, so and you can see there are a lot of packages which is available in the uh, base environment. So we'll see all those things a little later. Okay, so what I'm going to do is inside this, so you can directly launch on Jupyter Lab. So it will open a Jupyter Lab for you so that you can start working on it. Okay, Oh, sorry, it's Jupyter Lab is one thing. So where you can write your codes on a browser base. So there's another thing called Spider, so which is an IDE. So you can use Jupyter Lab, or you can use Spider, or you can use even a notebook. So you can use multiple of them. Okay. So okay, well, so it is going to ask all things. Okay, so this is your editor. So this is a Spider editor. So we'll be using the Spider editor, and as well as Jupyter Notebook also, which is called Jupyter Lab, the same. So which is a browser based. So for scripts, as we call notebooks, so we can use this one, or for writing a scripts and all, so we can use Spider also. So it is a kind of interface, just follows some MATLAB kind of a thing. So where you'll be getting a console over here, where you will be writing your codes over here, so that like if you want to debug, you can debug over here. So you can use whichever comfortable IDE that you require. Okay, so well,